Hi, my name is Cedric Juillet. As a researcher, I am interested in understanding factors determining changes in population size of wildlife species of conservation concern. When we hear of conservation of Arctic species, declining species is probably what first comes to mind. Well, if you come to my presentation on IPY 2012, you will hear about the greater snow goose, a species nesting in the Canadian Arctic, which is of conservation concern, but because it is overabundant. You will hear about changes in age at first reproduction and of the relative importance of climatic conditions for this species. You will hear about hunt as a conservation tool that we can learn from new management measures. And finally, that for long-distance migrants breeding the Arctic is not everything. So if you want to hear something different, I will be pleased to share with you some findings of my PhD conducted at Université Laval and Centre Nordic in Canada, and Scientific Ecology Fonctionnelle et Évolutive in France. Thank you.